Hi, my name is Sam and I'm a Politics with Economics student at the University of Bath. The purpose of today's video is to show you a typical day in the life of university for a Politics with Economics student. So I tend to start the day by checking out the news. I'm sure those who intend to study politics with economics know that a lot changes in the space of a couple of hours in the political world, so it's important to keep up to date with the latest current affairs. If I have more time in the morning, I'll listen to the coronavirus newscast by the BBC. It's a very useful podcast for politics with economics students, as it discusses the day's news with experts and covers a range of issues that are bound to come up in lectures and seminars. At Bath University, you won't just find yourself attending lectures, but a range of alternative learning environments. Every week I attend an economics workshop, which is a more interactive way of engaging in past exam questions or revision. The ability to share ideas in a more informal environment is a welcome change to lectures. Getting involved with societies at Bath University is a great way of meeting new people and engaging with a hobby or sport that you enjoy. I'm a part of 3 societies at the university and find they help to incorporate a sense of community. Societies also enable myself and other students to take a well-deserved break from our degrees. One of the main reasons why I chose the University of Bath was its emphasis on the placement year. Every week we are timetabled as slots to help increase our employability. These sessions can range from CV writing to cover letters, as well as general tips and advice to make you stand out from the crowd. I'm about to reflect upon the advice and feedback written on my CV before making amendments so it's ready for when I start applying for placements. That's a quick summary of what I get up to at university. Thanks for listening.